Welcome back, guys, to Just Wing It. I am here for a blind install. Well, I will be installing some blinds. I won't be blind while installing it. These are some cordless blinds that we got from Home Depot or Lowe's. They're the Levolor blinds. They're cordless, which means you just pull on them or push on them and they stick and stay. So to put these up, we're basically going to just double check our measurements, measure, mark, drill, and attach. I'll be walking you through it every step of the way. Despite the channel being called Just Wing It, I rarely wing anything. If anything, I read the directions maybe like 8 times before doing anything. So for this one, I did read the directions, so don't be fooled. It is an easy install, but it will require just reading the directions, probably just once over. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and just measure the blinds, and we'll say these are about 22 and a half. Make a mark on this side. Mark on this side. That should get us going. Make sure we're working in the same dimensions. We are. And we'll go ahead and put up the left side first. Alrighty, so that is marked and ready to go. It's drilling time. So brackets have been drilled in, and so now we can put the wand on. So this is to turn the blinds up or down, to either block or let in light, and that just snaps in. Pull this down a little bit, put it up. There we go. Line it up. Snap those in on both sides. Next are these little plastic clips in, so I put in one side already. Basically, you take the clip, has a small pin thing, and put it in the channel. It's demarcated with the word top, so you just want to turn until that goes to the top, and then this will go on to give it a little bit more style. And just from top to bottom. You can adjust from there. And that's about it. That is the end of the Levolor cordless blind install. Pretty quick and easy. Again, just measure again, mark, drill, secure, place the blinds in the brackets, secure that, and then just put the balance on. And you're pretty much in business. Or for us, this one's in our bathroom, so we're ready to do business. So yeah.